So here we are at Curacao, right here, currently on a cruise. This is where everybody disembarks. People walking. So in a minute or so, I'm going to be walking down there. Here you'll see a private beach. You see swings right there. Another private beach right there. The bridge. We're going to be walking down here to the shopping district. And this right here is the view when you eat your breakfast. Wow. Here we are. We just got off the cruise at this disembarkment point. Celebrity cruise right there. And now we're going to walk, explore the city. Curacao. Look at the view. This side, like I said before, the private beaches right there. You're walking all the way over there. Santa Claus suffering out in his heat.
Help me!
And here we are at the first shopping center. There's some tour guides that you can purchase over here. Some taxis. Oh wow. Oh. Oh, those are big waves. Cigar shop right here. Gate 1. We got some small shops here. Curacao shops. To take a picture video. Cost $1. I'm gonna take a picture. Bro, that guy wanted $1. These, I don't really saw the sign, but the sign said to take a picture or video $1. What? Wow, look at this view. We just walked from over there. it's always 5 o'clock in Curacao. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Happy hours. Here we got a swing, random swing in the middle of the area, and then Wind Creek Carnival Casino. Wind Creek Curacao Resort. Some shopping malls here. Diamond International. Welcome, I see it's right there. Welcome to Riff Fort, established in 1828. This way it says this way to the bridge stores and restaurants. I just realized, I think I've been saying it wrong. It's called Curaçao. Okay, so here's the directory. You can pause it if you guys want to see it, but I'm gonna keep on walking. Entering the dungeon. Curaçao. Curaçao. Curaçao, Curaçao. Stairs up there. Ice cream shops right there.
I'm not doing it.
Here we are. Whoa. Whoa. The bridge that we saw before when we were on the cruise ship. So what we just went to was the Riff Fort, which was established in 1828 in Curaçao. Hot out here. I was just like 40 degrees today. 40 degrees Celsius. View right here, the ocean view balcony.